Welcome guys, this is Software FS. Now let me show you how you can trade volatility 100 index profitably. The time frame is 4-hour time frame. Only one indicator is what you need. Only one indicator. CCI indicator, commodity channel index indicator. That is the only indicator needed to make excess profit in this what strategy. Now let me show you how the setup is. Let me show you how to set up the indicator. I told you only one indicator is needed, CCI indicator, commodity channel index indicator. Now this is how to set up the indicator. You go to F, do you understand? Select commodity channel index indicator. Now here are the settings. Period is 50, do you understand? Apply to typical price. Style 3 pixel, choose the color of your choice. Now when you come to the level should be 1. Do you understand? The level should be what? 1. 4 pixel, choose the color of your choice. Do you understand? Then you hit done. That is the only indicator needed to make excess profit trading volatility 100 index. Remember, the time frame is 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? This particular strategy works best on 4-hour time frame. Now let me show you how the strategy works. Pay attention, this strategy pays very well. It has been tested over and over. I've been using it for months, so I decided today to share it with you guys. So pay attention. Do you understand? This particular strategy pays very well. Do you understand? Now this is how the strategy works. If you look at the CCI indicator section, there are two lines, one horizontal line and another moving line. That is the red line. Now this is how the strategy works. Whenever you see the red line crosses that horizontal line, whenever you see the red line crosses the horizontal line, if it is from down upward, that is what a buy, that's a clear buy signal for you. Do you understand? That is what a clear buy signal for you. Now let me show you. Look at it. Look at where the crossing occur. So what I want you to do is to do what? Make your buy entry here. Just make your buy entry here, and this is what excess profit, as easy as that. Do you understand, guys? This is strategy pays very well. Do you understand? Make use of it, study it, make use of it, and come back to this channel and give me feedback. Do you understand? This strategy pays very well. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. Now here is another crossing. Look at it. Here's what? Another crossing. This is the downward crossing. So it is what? A clear sell signal. Do you understand? A clear what? A clear sell signal. So trace it to where, look at it. Look at where the crossing occur. Look at where I want you to make your sell entry. Do you understand? So here is a small profit. Do you understand? Here is what? A small profit. Do you understand? Now we move. Look at another crossing here. Look at another crossing here. Look at another crossing here. Look at it. So I want you to make your buy entry. Look at it. Look at the crossing here. So I want you to make your buy entry here. Do you understand? Make what? Buy entry there. And this is what? A huge profit. Do you understand? This is what? A huge, this excess profit. Do you understand? Now we move. Look at it. Look at another crossing here. Look at another crossing here. So I want you to make your sell entry. I want you to make your sell entry here. Do you understand? And this is what? Excess profits. Guys, this particular strategy pays very well. Do you understand? I have been using this for over months now, and it has been paying very well. So I decided to share it free of charge. Guys, my concern is for you to make excess profit. Do you understand? Stop blowing your account. Do you understand? Make excess profit. This is Optimal FS. Do you understand? What we do here is we share profitable strategy, strategies that have been tested over and over. Do you understand? So make sure you make use of this strategy. Come back on this channel and share your testimony. Do you understand? This is what? A confirmed strategy. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is Optimal FS where we share profitable strategies. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit and enjoy the profit. Do you understand?